Hi, blessed Sunday, everyone. My name is Ron, and I am the admin for ClickWorker or CW Philippines. You can find us in Facebook. Our group name again is ClickWorker Philippines. For you to join, just answer all the membership questions, and then send over a screenshot of your subscription to our YouTube channel. So, welcome back. And for today, we are recording a video about how closely related is the ad to the user's query. So I am on the training mode. Uh, this is going to be the guidelines right here and the I'm sorry, right monitor. It's about 10 pages, but generally, let's focus on this one, rating options. It'll be tagged as perfect if the ad is an exact match for all the query specifications. Example, model, brand, size, etc. Now, the ad is for the most popular search intent most users expect. And the ad must be the most official ad that could be shown. Okay, it'll be marked excellent if or it'll be rated as excellent if the ad is an exact match for the query but not official. The ad is for the most popular search intent most users expect. There is no official site for the query and or the ad is from a non-official site. The rating will be good if the ad offers the type of product, service, information the user wants, but it but is not an exact match to the user's specifications. Or ad doesn't mention the query, but it's clear the user could find what they want from the ad. Or ad offers the correct type of product but is larger or smaller selection of products, service, information than expected. Or the ad is for a possible search intent but not the most popular search intent most users expect. Example, Apple ad fresh apples. So any ad not fitting one of these three categories can be labeled as none of the above. Okay, again, this is an overview of this particular head app from UHRS. We'll try to answer about four head apps for this one. I do not feel comfortable working with this, to be honest, because the guidelines are still confusing to me. But anyways, Wesley Financial. How closely does the ad match the query? Financial Group, timeshare cancellation experts, Wesley Financial Group. I would say this is going to be, um, but not official. Ads most popular search intent most user expects. There is no official site for the query. I would say this is going to be excellent. Let's try it. It's perfect. I'm so sorry, but yeah, according to this one, it's perfect. Okay, let's agree to that. Best washer dryer combo. Shop dryer. 11 best. Ad is an exact match for the query. Ad is all query example model. The ad is most popular search intent. Can we say perfect? It's just excellent. Well, at least you are getting the hang of it. I mean, it's an overview. I'm not trying to give you the answers. It's just me wanting to show you how this ad should be worked on. Maybe in the future you will see this particular hit app and UHRS. At least you have an idea on how to work on it, so you don't have to go through all the guidelines. But anyways, let's move on. The hotel, Alex Johnson, Rapid City. This is going to be perfect for me. Let's see how it goes. It's good. The location specific query has the okay. Well, let's agree to this. Petco. I would say this is exact. Yeah, it is. Moissanite rings. Um, Perfect. It's just good. Ad offers Moissanite rings from one brand. That's good. Okay. Red Sox. Official Red Sox gear. I would say it's excellent. It's just good. Intent is for the Red Sox and offers gear for Red Sox, which is one intent. Okay. You see how confusing it is? HBO Max. It's going to be perfect. Days in Henrietta, Oklahoma. It's just good. It's excellent. Why? Exactly what the user wants, not the official site. Okay. Parkinson's medication. I would say it's excellent. Let's see how it goes. Okay, we got that correct. Chicken hen house for 12 chickens for sale. This is just good, I guess. Okay. Okay, there are no hits available. It could be that all hits are leased out. Please try again. So again, this is as the overview of a hit app called how closely related is the ad to the user's query. I hope this video helps you out. Again, please do not forget to subscribe to this tutorial or overview channel, and please do find us on Facebook. You can get in touch with the community there, and you would be able to receive real-time answers. Please find ClickWorker Philippines in Facebook or CW Philippines. I hope again this video helps you out. Have a blessed Sunday and thank you for watching. Bye for now.